7-1 with the one shakes. Upper body workout, the 100-day journey. It's begun, part 3, step 2. Scissor kicks. For the next few days, I'll be walking you through each stage. Engage those abs. Tutorial, workout edition. Shoulder blades down. Make sure you're engaging the abs each time on the scissor kicks. Each time engaging those abs, holding that strength. So whether you're young, whether you're old, you're never too old to do a little bit of workout and keep yourself fit and keep yourself healthy. You get old when you stop training. Number 1 rule, keep it going and never give up. No matter what you're doing,